Hi guys, Craig here, Medicine Hat Toyota on this beautiful Friday. Nice sunshine. We've got one of the trucks that we did some customization to. The customer's gone a few steps further and done some more customization. So we're going to break it down for you and let you know what we've done. Thanks guys. As we take a look at this truck, we are looking at the Pro Grille that comes with the TRD suspension kit. Also added a body armor front bumper with an integrated LED light bar. Moving across the top, we have a bug deflector. Customer put that on himself. After we pop the hood here, we can take a look at the TRD Air Intake. Great addition to the vehicle, and that was ordered by the customer and we installed it in-house for him. So he's quite happy with it, I believe. Looking at the side of the truck, we can see the wind deflectors or door deflectors purchased and installed by the customer. Moving on to the crossbars on the top that can be manipulated dependent on application. We also have a Trifold Toyota OEM tonneau cover on here. Great addition to the vehicle, as well as the steps that we had put on while we had it in our possession, as well as the TRD Rims and the Duratek Tires. Great looking truck. He's also added a rear bumper there that's also sold by Body Armor. We installed that for him. Any questions, guys, give us a shout, 403-526-6228. Thank you.